Hi guys, this is Jace Baldwin with the Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group. I'm here today just to talk to you a little bit about the importance of home equity. Just to define home equity for you is currently the market value of your property less your present mortgage, which ultimately leads you to the equity that you have in your property. This is an influential part to a lot of Americans in trying to build wealth for the future. According to CoreLogic, last year the average Minnesota household gained about $15,000 in equity within their properties. So certainly a nice number to see. Some of the other benefits that home equities offer is there's a lot of people out there in the last couple of years with interest rates being as low as they have been that are utilizing the refinancing option, and whether or not that's pulling some equity out of the property when you're refinancing, or if you're just looking to refinance down to a lower interest rate, certainly some very beneficial things about refinancing right now. And I would advise anybody, if your interest rate is higher, to get in touch with a lender to kind of mull over what that scenario looks like and how that affects you. The other option is more the traditional route, but folks that are looking to just sell your property right now, that is equity. That is what you are cashing out at the time of that sale. That's giving you an opportunity to potentially pay off some debt, or take that money and apply it to your next property. So that equity is typically a very important thing that people sit on that you kind of forget about. But there are options out there for you in regards to the best way for you to utilize that, depending on your situation. So if you have any questions about home equity and some potential options for your specific situation, would love to chat with you more about that. Other than that, hope everybody is staying safe out there, and I look forward to talking to you soon.